Hey everyone, so I'm coming to you doing my what's in my hospital bag video. So I'm just gonna turn it around and then you're gonna see what's in my bag. Anyway, okay, so this is my hospital bag. It's like a little gym bag I got from the gym. So I'm just gonna use it as my hospital bag. I don't need to buy a new bag or anything. What I also like about this bag, it has a, what would you call this, water bottle slot. So I'll definitely be bringing my water bottle as long. Anyway, let's go inside the bag. There's a bag in the bag. Anyway, this is a big bag that, I don't know if you can see, sort of a, yeah, big bag. I'm gonna carry just in case they're gonna give us free stuff. I want to make sure I have a big bag for that. Okay, I'm gonna start from the side. What I have in the side, so I have this little travel pouch thing, and I have for my toothbrush case. There's no toothbrush in it yet, but toothbrush case. And yep, that's pretty much it in the side. So what's in this little bag is lotion, deodorant, toothpaste, and some tablets for pain, for cramps and stuff like that. Yep, and just a little makeup thing. Okay. What's in this? I have, sorry, wrist pads, disposable, and I'm not too sure if they're gonna give us any there, but I'm just taking it. Pads. I have about 4 of these. Said I'm not too sure if they're gonna give us any there. Whatever, we'll do that later. Okay. Now to the other side of the bag, we have my glasses case. There's no glasses in it yet. My camcorder. Yep, for videoing and stuff. Charger. My MP3 player with lots of music. Lip balm. And I brought extra battery for my MP3 player. That's in the side. Okay, so hold up, breath, I'm tired. It's in the top. I have slippers. My mom gave me these for Christmas. They're really, really soft. Alright. Baby stuff. So I packed stuff for the baby in here as well. The baby stuff I'm going to show you. Okay. So baby clothes. Here's baby blanket. A cute little baby shorts. This is a monkey suit for baby. There you go. Baby. And this is newborn, just in case it doesn't fit the newborn. This is a 6 month, but it's supposed to be like 3 months because it's really, really small. Long sleeve. Socks. Mittens. And a hat that goes with this suit. But it's white, so I figured you can wear the yellow one too. And a bib, which I don't think I need a bib, but it says Daddy's Little Speedster. Okay. And we have diapers, 2 size diapers, newborn, and 1 size, and wipes. And these are some natural wipes I got. sample of, so I decided to bring this small pack instead of a big pack. Okay, that's baby stuff. Okay, oh, this is also for baby. So soft, nicest blanket for him, probably to go over the car seat. Okay, for me, socks, they're not the ones with the grip bottom, but I have the slippers with grits on the bottom, so just in case. Alright, socks, super soft. My going home outfit, oh, one thing I forgot, my yoga pants is not in here, which would also be with my going home outfit. So this is an easy access thing, just in case I have to breastfeed on the way home or something like that. So it doesn't have straps or anything. That's the hooks. Yep, it's loose and everything. Yeah. Okay, I have underwears, some black ones, granny panties, and some white ones I bought. They said they might give you underwear, but just in case, I don't like them. Sorry. Okay, I have a rub, a face towel I got from Walmart, and a big towel, a big one, just for me, just in case, because I don't really like using other people's towel or whatever, even if it's washed. I just like using mine. And to wear in the hospital, I have pajamas bottoms. These are the soft ones. Yep, very soft ones. And I got the top. This was a gift from me, from my gift from me, gift from my mom. Christmas. These are some soft ones I got. So, and just a few more things that will be going into my hospital bag is my tablet. Probably take my laptop with me, my phone, and my this camera and the charger, an extra memory card. So that's pretty much it. If there's anything that I'm missing out of my bag, please comment below and tell me so I'll be more prepared just in case. Okay, thank you again for watching my video. Bye.